Happy Monday, everyone. This week, we're going to be talking about measurements, and we're going to be measuring using the metric system. So in the metric system, our units are called kilos, hecto, deca, and we have our base unit, deci, centi, and milli. A way to remember all these prefixes, or the way that the words start, is by this little phrase. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So remember, our K stands for kilo, H for hecto, D for deca, B for base unit, D again for deci, C for centi, and M for milli. Okay, so when we're using the metric system, we have different base units. We have meter, which is used to measure length, liter, used to measure capacity or volume, or how much is inside of something. So you could think of it like how much water is inside a bottle. You would use liters. And then we have grams for weight or mass, so how heavy something is. Today we're going to be focusing on meters. Okay, so for meters, we look at our chart. 1 kilometer or kilometer is equal to 1,000 units. Remember, our unit that we're looking at is meters. So 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. Our next one, we have 1 hecto equals 100 units. So 1 hectometer equals 100 meters. Right? And then we come to deca. It says 1 deca equals 10 units. So 1 decameter equals 10 meters. Now we move over to this side. So on this side, we see that 10 decis equals 1 unit. Remember, our unit is meters. So 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeters. Okay. Oh, and for deca, so we can tell the difference between decameters and decimeters, the way we write deca, when we abbreviate it, is D-A-M. And for deci, it's just D-M. Okay, then we move to centimeters. So 100 centimeters are in 1 unit. So 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. And finally, when we get to milli, it says 1,000 millimeters are in 1 meter. So 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. This chart is in your slides, but these conversions, so taking kilometers and moving to meters, and same thing with all of the other conversions, those are not in your slides. So you will want to write this down in your notebook. Okay, write those down. Today we're going to be focusing a lot on kilometers and meters. So click on the next video to find out how to change kilometers to meters.